Hey, in this video, we're going to see how to find the range of the potential third side of a triangle. Okay, so just as a review, there's something called the triangle inequality theorem, which you learned in the previous video. And so that's basically saying that any two sides, when added together, must be greater than the third side. Okay, so any two sides that you pick, when you add them together, they must be greater than the third side. So here, if you know two sides but don't know the third side, there's a certain range that this third side could be. So this could be the shortest side, or it could be the longest side in this triangle. So we want to see what range can this side be in. To do that, you need to run two tests. You need to run the long test and the short test. Okay, so let's hypothesize that this side is the longest side in the triangle. So that would mean that this side, the other two sides, so side 1 and side 2, when added together must be longer than the third side. So let's call this x that we're trying to find here. Okay, so let's plug those in. So 7 plus 10 have to be greater than the longest side of x. And then if we solve this, we get 17 is greater than x. Okay, so this is scenario 1. That's complete. Then run one more experiment here. So we're going to say that x is the shortest side here. So if x is the shortest, then this would become the longest side. Okay, because 10 is greater than 7. So then we need to add these two sides together and see if it's greater than the third side. So the short side here is 7. Plus our other side that we don't know has to be greater than the longest side, which is now 10. Okay, then we're going to solve this. So I'm going to solve for x. So x, it has to be greater than 3. Cool, so we have our two pieces of the puzzle here. This is our range. Now let's just combine these into one single expression. So we're going to put x in the middle. And then we see that x must be less than 17, so x is less than 17. And then x is greater than 3. Cool, so this is our final expression. Give it a try out some of the self-checks, try out the quiz, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.